Everyone, happy new year. Today I wanted to show you a project that I am working on. It's kind of part of my New Year's resolution. I don't actually do New Year's resolutions, but I do like to set some goals that I'd like to achieve over the new year or the coming year. And one of those goals is to send out some cards to you guys who have sent me your address for Happy Mail and things like that. And I really need to get on top of being organized. I wasn't very good in 2022. I actually set this goal last year and I didn't really achieve it, if I'm honest with myself. So I really want to be on top of it this time. And so the first thing that I'm going to start out with is with sending out some birthday cards and things like that. And to get myself organized, I've actually come up with this little booklet. Now, I'm still working on it. I'm actually working on it right now on my desk. It's actually made from some packaging, some Amazon packaging. So, you know, just simple Amazon packaging, or obviously you could make it from some food packaging, you know. And I've constructed this little booklet. Now I am just in the process of actually fastening, and I just need to decorate my front page, but I still wanted to show you the construction. I'm going to be back on with a video that goes through measurements and things like that, but just a quick flick through. So this booklet is really easy to make, and it uses quite a bit. Well, it can use up some of your scrap papers. I just used some paper that I had for quite a long time, so it's really good for a project for that as well. And I've constructed these pages with these little pockets so that I can put a card in. Let's put it up the right way so that I can put a card in the pockets. I've tried it. This one's quite a dimensional card, so I might put a pocket on the back for dimensional cards, just a bigger pocket. But for normal flat cards, it will hold quite a few in each month. So each little pocket is going to be a month, and I'll just flick through. I've left a little space to put my binding because I'm going to use some book rings. I think that will be easier to use, and if I want to take my pages in and out. And then I've just basically constructed this really simple album so that I can put my cards in, really. And so I'm going to be going through that with you guys in the next video. But I wanted to have a talk about some of the things that was going on Cheryl Simone Crafts. So I'm looking forward to this year. I've got a project that I'm working on with my daughter, so we should be bringing that to you very soon. So please look out for you know, information on that as well. If you are subscribed to Cheryl Simone Crafts newsletter, that would be really good, because that will be one of the first places that I put information out to you guys. Below there's the link in my description box, and then a pop-up box should come up and you can subscribe so that I can send information out to you in emails and things like that. Also, we've got some really gorgeous papers on there at the moment, but we have more coming in as the year is rolling on. I've had a look at some of the new papers that have been coming out from some of the brands, some of them really cute papers. What else? Oh, and also yeah, I just really want to talk about my projects for this year. So I'm really going to focus on making cards. Also, I want to make some more Happy Mail. I really want to send out some more Happy Mail and things like that. Hence, I really need to get organized. So another thing that I have made, I've got a video coming up, is I've made some TNs that can organize some of my ideas, some of the craft things that I make, somewhere to jot down measurements and things like that. So yeah, I'm super excited about this year and what's coming up. Hope you will be subscribed if you're not already subscribed, so that you can find out and get those notifications of my upcoming videos. That's another thing. I really want this year to be just a year of organization. I want to try and post more solidly this year. I think I kind of post a bit haphazardly when I kind of come up with an idea or a project that I really want to show you guys. I kind of post, but I want to be a bit more consistent, so that's going to be one of my targets for this year. So let me know down in the subscription what targets you have for crafting in this 2023, or it might not be for crafting. Just let me know in the comments down below and we'll have a chat, guys. So happy new year, guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.